and welcome to my kitchen. With Easter and April Fool's Day upon us on the same day, I thought I'd share with you a fun and exciting way that you can celebrate both holidays, with an awesome activity that the whole family can do. Here's a list of the things that you'll need. Plastic eggs, butter, eggs, a frying pan. First, set your stove to low heat. Place the frying pan on the stove, and then butter your pan. Next, crack some eggs. My dad always said you'll never get anywhere in life if you don't crack a few eggs, so here we go. Scramble your eggs. Let the eggs cool for about 5 minutes. Once your scrambled eggs are nice and cool, you can start filling up your little plastic eggs with the scrambled eggs. Great! Now that all our eggs are stuffed, we're ready to transform into funny bunny mode and go hide these bad boys around town. Be sure to pick places that you think people are going to find them at least within like a week or two. Otherwise they're going to start to stink. Even more than they already do. That's it for today's episode. Happy Easter, everyone.